We'll guide you through how to fix an iPhone not sending messages. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. This problem is annoying as you're unable to go and get in contact with somebody or send something. This will apply if you've got green messages or blue messages as well. So first of all, what you can try doing is just resending it. So if you go and press on the red exclamation mark, press try again and see if it will then send. If it still doesn't, then make sure you've got service. You can check this in the top right. You can see those 3 bars to the left of Wi-Fi. That's your connection to your network provider. Make sure you've got some. That's needed for green messages. If you're sending a blue message, either you need a connection to Wi-Fi or a cellular data connection. So you may need to go and move around to get a stronger signal in order to go and send it. Or you can try using Wi-Fi. What you can also try doing with Wi-Fi is using Wi-Fi calling if you have it available. You can open your settings, scroll down to apps at the bottom and scroll down to phone. You can tap on phone here. You can find Wi-Fi calling and switch it on like so, and you'll be able to send green SMS messages over Wi-Fi. Come out of phone and you want to go and find M for messages, and you can go and switch on. Send as text message. If iMessage is unavailable, it'll send as a text message instead. If things still aren't working, try restarting your iPhone. To do that, press the increase volume button, the decrease volume button, and you can hold down the side power button. Shortly it will go black. Release it when you see the Apple icon and it will start again. Hopefully your problem is solved.